Hi guys,
it's Iru and Oppa here. We are a traveling couple who are visiting hidden and adventurous places in Sri Lanka.
and today we are visiting Bomburu Ella.
Let's go!
Now we are starting the hiking.
And we came from Nuwaraeliya. We took Nuwaraeliya Bomburu Ella bus at about 8:20 from Nuwaraeliya bus stand, and it took about nearly 40 minutes to reach Bomburu Ella. That was a very beautiful route to come here from Nuwaraeliya to Bomburu Ella.
Road is good. We can easily climb the stairs.
As today is Monday, there are less visitors and the weather is also nice. It's a sunny day, so we can enjoy the day.
All the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gotta learn the consequence, I'm being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, screams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
shops on the way to Bomburu Ella, so we stop for a tea.
Can we have 2 tickets?
Ticket. How much?
How much?
5,000.
Oh. Too much.
Too much. No. 200 for the people who own this and other 4,800 for me. Governing this place. Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Now we have come halfway along the road and we found a place very nice to jump. Opa and me enjoying the place. But, we are thinking whether we can jump from here or not. We don't have any problems, but we want to try that. Unfortunately, Opa is not allowing me to jump. What to do?
We can have better what do you call experience and videos.
Yeah, if I can jump with this, that means it can be a good video. But I'm not going to do that.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. We are a little bit late now because we just stopped for taking videos. Bomburu Ella is located in Uvaparnagama in
Valimada
Valimada.
area. And the source for the Bomburu Ella is started from Nuwaraeliya. That means a tank is located in Central Highlands, and from that point the Bomburu Ella is starting. And now we have walked for a long time, and we can see the beauty of the waterfall from this place where we are right now. So we will show you how it is showing at this point. There are resting places on the way to Bomburu Ella. If you bring meals, you can eat it here. The point where we are right now is the place to cross the waterfall to other side, the green color side, and on this way you can reach to the bottom of the waterfall. So now we are crossing the waterfall and going to reach the other side. to rain, so the environment is somewhat dark right now, giving a horror vibe. We don't know whether we can reach the waterfall before the rain. I hope that it won't rain, otherwise we can't see the beauty of the waterfall without getting wet. Let's see. The road is somewhat difficult to climb because there are so many stones on the way, and also now I think we have reached the place where we want to visit, the Bomburu Ella. I can hear the sound and nicely we reached the place. Wait, I will see you how it shows from this point. Let's go. And here it comes, the so beautiful Bomburu Ella. Going on other way to reach the lower part of the waterfall. Let's go. Near the waterfall in the middle of the rain. අපි චුටි වීඩියෝ එකක් ගන්නවා හරියට.
අරගෙන ඔය මිනිසුන් විදියට මේ කනන් අදින් කියලා හොඳ උසත් වතුර දීලා බිලාදී
Actually, we can recommend this shop.
As we got red, we were very cold, so we went to that shop on the way to Bomburu Ella. So actually they were very good people, and they gave us very tasteful roti and very nice tea. That was very good, and it is very